Echidna's secret weapon: how they detect ants. The echidna, a truly unique creature, holds a remarkable secret to finding its next meal. Native to Australia and New Guinea, this spiny mammal isn't just relying on smell or digging. It actually uses electroreception to locate ants and termites hidden underground. Imagine being able to sense the tiny electrical fields generated by insects. That's precisely what an echidna can do. Specialized receptors in its snout detect these faint signals, allowing it to pinpoint exactly where those tasty invertebrates are lurking beneath the surface. Stick around. You're about to learn something wild. But first, tap like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-blowing fact. This incredible ability is especially helpful when food sources are scarce or buried deep within complex soil structures. It's a testament to how evolution has shaped this animal into such an efficient and fascinating predator. Electroreception is a truly fascinating ability. It's essentially sensing electrical fields in the environment. It's remarkably rare among mammals, which makes what echidnas can do all the more incredible. In fact, of all living mammals, only 2 species are known to utilize electroreception: the platypus and, yes, the echidna. While we've long understood the platypus uses this sense to locate prey underwater, recent research has revealed that echidnas also possess these specialized receptors in their snouts. It's believed they use it primarily to find insects and larvae hidden beneath leaf litter or soil, essentially creating an electrical map of what's around them. Echidnas possess an incredibly unique hunting adaptation: specialized receptors on their snout called Herbst corpuscles. These aren't your typical sensory organs. They're essentially tiny electrical detectors. Imagine insects moving underground, contracting their muscles as they burrow or feed. Those contractions generate minuscule electrical signals, and the Herbst corpuscles are exquisitely sensitive to them. They allow the echidna to sense the presence of prey, even when it's hidden beneath soil or leaf litter. A truly remarkable feat of evolution. It's like having an internal radar for insects. It's incredible how echidnas find their food: ants and termites. These insects live in massive colonies, and even though each individual ant or termite is tiny, collectively they create a subtle electrical signature. Think of it like this: every movement, every grain of soil moved while digging, every interaction within the colony generates minuscule electrical fields. These fields overlap and combine, creating a faint hum, an almost imperceptible background buzz of electricity detectable by the echidna's specialized electroreceptors. It's not a strong signal, but for an animal as dedicated to insect hunting as an echidna, it's a vital clue leading them directly to their next meal. It's remarkable how echidnas utilize these electrical fields. They don't simply detect them, they actively build a mental picture of what lies beneath their feet. Imagine the echidna gently sweeping its long snout across the ground, almost like a radar beam searching for hidden prey. This constant movement isn't random, it's a deliberate probing action. By systematically scanning back and forth, the echidna creates a 3-dimensional map of insect activity, pinpointing where ants, termites, or other invertebrates are clustered underground. It's an incredibly sophisticated sensory strategy, allowing them to locate food with impressive accuracy. The sensitivity these herb's corpuscles possess is truly remarkable. They're not just detecting vibrations, they're picking up electrical signals, incredibly faint ones at that. Scientists estimate they can detect signals as low as 10 microvolts, which really puts their capabilities into perspective. Think about it, that's roughly equivalent to hearing a whisper carried across an entire football field. It highlights how exquisitely tuned echidnas are to subtle changes in their environment, allowing them to locate prey hidden beneath the earth. Echidnas have an incredible ability to locate their favorite food ants and termites even when these insects are cleverly concealed. They don't just wander randomly hoping to stumble upon a nest. They use their highly developed sense of smell, combined with subtle vibrations in the ground, to precisely pinpoint locations. The echidna's long snout acts as a powerful sniffing tool, drawing in scents from deep within leaf litter and soil layers. These faint, aromatic trails lead them directly to underground colonies that might otherwise remain completely hidden. It's truly remarkable how they can detect these nests even when buried several inches below the surface. Echidnas possess an incredibly unique ability, electroreception. It's a sense that most mammals have lost over time, but these spiny creatures retained it. Think of it like having tiny antennae constantly scanning for electrical fields. These fields are generated by the muscle contractions of insects and other invertebrates living underground or hidden amongst leaf litter. This isn't just some minor addition to their senses, it actually works in harmony with their exceptional sense of smell. Scent helps them pinpoint general areas where prey might be, but electroreception provides a much more precise directional guide, like a built-in GPS for finding those tasty ants and termites. It allows them to hone in on exactly where the insects are hiding, even if they're buried deep within the soil. The fascinating ability of echidnas to detect electrical fields, electroreception, presents a real puzzle for scientists. It's relatively rare in mammals, and its presence in these spiny creatures is particularly intriguing. One leading hypothesis suggests that this unique sense developed as an adaptation to the challenging environment they inhabit. Australia's insect populations, which form the backbone of an echidna's diet, aren't evenly distributed. They are often scarce and clustered in specific areas. Imagine trying to find a meal when it's hidden deep beneath the ground or concealed within dense leaf litter. Electroreception may have evolved as a crucial tool for locating these patchy prey items, allowing echidnas to detect the faint electrical signals generated by insects moving through soil or vegetation, essentially providing them with an electrical map of their surroundings. Echidnas possess an extraordinary ability to detect electrical fields generated by insects hidden beneath the ground, a sense no other mammal has evolved in quite this way. They achieve this through specialized receptors located on their rostrum, essentially acting as biological electroreceptors. These receptors are incredibly sensitive, allowing them to perceive minute electrical signals produced by muscle contractions of ants and termites deep within termite mounds or under leaf litter. Imagine the echidna sweeping its snout across the forest floor. It's not just smelling or feeling, it's actively listening for the faint electrical hum of a potential meal. This allows them to locate prey that would otherwise be completely invisible, proving invaluable in their foraging strategy and contributing significantly to their survival in diverse habitats.